What if the most iconic American long-nose truck ever built was transformed into a luxury home on wheels? A machine known for raw power, chrome, and road dominance, now reborn as a premium motorhome. This is the 2026 Peterbilt 389 motorhome, and today on RV TourHub, we're taking you inside a true highway legend turned luxury lifestyle. At first glance, the Peterbilt 389 still looks every bit the king of the road. That classic long hood, massive chrome grille, and bold stance make an unforgettable statement wherever it goes. It carries the soul of a working-class hero, but behind that rugged exterior lies a surprisingly refined and modern living space designed for long-haul comfort. Step inside and the contrast is stunning. The interior opens up into a warm, spacious living area with premium finishes throughout. Rich wood textures, soft leather seating, and ambient LED lighting create a perfect balance between classic style and modern luxury. A comfortable sofa, smart dining table, and a large LCD screen make this space ideal for relaxing after a long drive or entertaining guests on the road. The kitchen is built for real travel. Compact yet fully equipped, it features modern appliances, durable countertops, and plenty of storage for extended trips. Everything is placed with efficiency in mind, allowing you to cook, store, and move with ease without sacrificing comfort or quality. The sleeping area is where this motorhome truly feels like home. The main bed offers excellent comfort with a high-quality mattress, thoughtful lighting, and built-in storage for personal belongings. A secondary sleeping setup adds flexibility, making this motorhome perfect for couples, friends, or family adventures across long distances. The washroom continues the premium experience with a clean, modern layout. A separate shower area, stylish sink, toilet, and high-end fixtures deliver hotel-like convenience on the road. It's designed to be practical, easy to maintain, and surprisingly spacious for a motorhome built on a truck platform. What sets the 2026 Peterbilt 389 motorhome apart is the driving experience. Known for its strength and reliability, this truck offers smooth highway cruising, advanced suspension, and powerful performance that handles long journeys effortlessly. It's built to go the distance, mile after mile, without compromise. The 2026 Peterbilt 389 motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of freedom, power, and independence. It blends classic American trucking heritage with modern RV luxury in a way few motorhomes can match. Subscribe to RV TourHub for more exclusive tours of the world's most powerful and luxurious motorhomes, and tell us in the comments, would you take this Peterbilt 389 motorhome on your next epic road adventure?